Incredible stories can emerge from anywhere, but all too often, many of these great tales remain unheard. 11 Reader Publishing is changing that. Our brand new service helps authors publish across the world, available in 32 languages, with a free professional-grade audiobook ready in minutes. Simply upload your work to create your first title, prepare to publish, then let us bring it to life with our high-quality, immersive AI voices.
Deep into the forbidden woods, a remarkable gemstone glistened in the moonlight.
Our powerful tools will help track, promote, and publicize your work. And rest assured, you maintain complete control of your IP. Together with our built-in distribution system, we'll help you grow and expand your audience as an independent author.
Once upon a time, in the labyrinths of Marrakesh.
Your listeners can even customize how they enjoy your content. And all this is possible whilst earning you one of the highest royalty rates in the industry. So give your story the attention it deserves. Turn your manuscript into an audiobook today. Free with 11 Reader